Explore the possibilities of precision engineering and unparalleled versatility with the SM4 rotary actuator from Eckhart Hydraulics. Engineered to excel in any environment, the SM4 features a standard temperature range from -25 to +70 degrees Celsius or -13 to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring consistent performance under all conditions. The SM4 includes an adjustable drive shaft datum, simplifying installation by eliminating the need to precisely align keyways. It allows effortless angle readjustment at any time. This feature saves you significant time and cost during setup and integration. Drive innovation forward with robust and reliable technology. Contact us today to discover the full potential of our powerful rotary actuator. Eckhart Hydraulics, your trusted partner for premium rotary actuators.